Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday market webcast. Okay, so look, I say nothing surprises me anymore, but the velocity of the bears completely blowing it at daily midband yesterday, and us, I mean, it was choppy off the open. We had a short. Once it kind of resolved itself at 74, it came back into the mid band down there. We had a lower level down there, and it couldn't get it done. And I said we have to flip here. I said we have to prove to them that they can make a bias below the lower level. So we've got to get in against 61, and we ended up doing a long 63s. I got 63 halves. Some people got 64s. I really didn't think it was going to be a 50 handle runner at the time. I'm like, well, maybe we go up and test 9-day, and it'll bounce around a little bit. They absolutely got eviscerated. So when I say seriously bears, which is what I called it, I mean, really? Okay. I mean, that's okay. That's fine. Look, this was bad enough, but you made it so much worse right here. So here's your hourly chart. So it comes down, does 55 half, can't convert, and they take it to them. They take out the 9-day, they take out the weekly pivot. We're back to battling between the 9-day and the weekly pivot right now. The bears don't, or the bulls rather, don't look great in the 30s, but the bears don't look great at all. So if the bears are going to come back today, they've got to hold this area here. They got to convert 09. They got to go down and break that daily pivot down at the 3801 area and try to get back into something with a 38 on it. And try to close. You're not going to close unless you get some news and it knocks it down as much as it went up. You're not going to close below the daily mid band. What's more likely to happen today is we're going to find another higher low. It's going to rehabilitate itself above weekly pivot there. It's going to figure out that hourly mid band at 22, and we're going to end up challenging highs again. It's Thursday and we're still fighting over weekly pivot. That's one thing. But this week has really been more about the early week failures at the 20-day, at the daily mid-band. And if the bears can't overcome that, then they've blown their best advantage they've had to turn it into a sell rallies market, something with a little bit of a deeper pullback. And the more we do this, the more emboldened the longs are going to be, and we start looking at the 39, 59 quarter all-time highs. And you can't say it's parabolic. We just went from 39.59 down to 38.04. So they pulled back. They held it. They worked some of that off. They tested the daily midband for a few days. They pushed away from it now. The upper band's at 4,000. It is what it is. Nobody wants to hear it because everybody hates every rally forever. But it's the truth. It's what's going on. And if the bears can't overcome it, it's what's going to happen. The onus is on the bears to overcome this stuff. And they consistently don't, which is why it consistently plays out to the upside. It's not about being a perma bull or a perma bear or whatever. It's about, this is the direction that the tape's going in. You can either fight it or you can make money. That's where it is. That's where it is. It's what's happening in the majority of stocks. That's what's happening, it's certainly what's happening here on the futures chart. So you got VWAP today is at 1975. Hourly mid there, 22 half. You can see that on the chart. Daily pivot, 13. Our proprietary moving average is locked in there, 13. The key for me is going to be, can they convert 14 through 22, get back to 34, and look like something up there? And for the bears, you really got to get below 39.05 and stay there. Break, make a new Globex low, and get below the roundy at 3,900. All right, that's all I got. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care. Trade them well. You want to learn this stuff. You want to stop fighting price. You want to be consistently successful. The tools to do that are in the room. Come check it out. See if you like it. Come check it out for a couple weeks. See if it's for you. We'd love to meet you. It's a great group of people. Take care. See you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade 'em well.